Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, I got my 1981 Chevy van. And if you are a Chevy van owner out there from the years of 1981 up until about 98, 99, I'm going to say 2000, that having AC problems, you want to pay very close attention to this video. Coming up on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astro Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastrostars.com. Alright guys, first of all, you see this right here? That little round thing? That means, you guys know, there's a round headlights that belong there. This is an 81, so it had the round headlights. But what I did, let's walk over this side. I converted it over to the rectangle headlights because I like that. I'm trying to give you a little history on this van before we get to the nitty gritty. Hey, you haven't heard that in a long time, the nitty gritty. Alright guys, let's go up and into the engine bay. Now, 1981, this van originally came with a 6-cylinder. I converted it over to the Chevy, and this message, what I'm about to say, is for Steve Davis. Steve, check this out. This is a 350 4-bolt main bored out the 60 over, Steve. This is the one that you're going to be going up against. Now, right now, currently it's carbureted, but I am going to turn it over to fuel injected. Now, what I did, guys, is I converted the front of the engine over to a 94, so it runs by one serpentine belt because I wanted to put AC in it. This van did not have AC. Now let's move on over to the other side. In order to have AC, I had to take out the original little metal box that was over here, and that's all it was a little metal box with a blower motor, and I had to install this. This is the for the condenser and all that. Now here's where your problem comes in, guys, and here's where Chevy really dropped the ball on. a lot of your cars, you can have the air coming in from the outside or recirculate the air on the inside. These Chevy vans do not give you the option. I took off the grill that was up here, and all the time, without fail, your air goes in through here and into the vehicle. Over here, matter of fact, let me close this down a little bit. Over here and down into there. And what are you looking at? You're looking at that foam stuff I stuck down in there so the air would not go down in there. So now it's forced that the air recirculates inside the vehicle, which I'm about to show you. Now here's the problem, guys. Out here, there's no cabin air filter of any kind on any of these vans. All the leaves and all that go suck right down into there. Then the blower motor picks it up, goes into this box right here, forced into here, your evaporator. So at all times, 100% of the air goes through your, even if you cut the AC off and just put all heat, it goes through your evaporator first, then your heater core. Now, watch when we come back, I'm gonna show you what happens because of this system right here. Be right back. All right, guys, this is one I got from the junkyard because I needed some parts from it and all. So, unless the air comes in, just like I said, comes in, the blower motor sucks it in, blows it around, and boom, the first thing it hits is your evaporator. So, what happens? That's what happens. All the leaves, bugs, dirt, everything hits this evaporator first. And as you can see, this van must not have had no AC. There is no way of cleaning this out, guys, unless you remove the entire box. Because remember what I said. Look at that mess right there. The air comes through here 100% of the time. Then it goes, and if it's going to hit the heater core, then it hits the heater core. But by this time, you ain't get nothing come on this side. So that's some really messed up stuff right there. And so if you're taking your car to a shop or you're wondering why the blower motor is the air is not coming out as much, or the AC don't work as good, or well, the heat's gonna work probably because it's still heat, but this is why. So I'm gonna show you what I did, other than put all that foam stuff, what I did to stop this issue so I don't have it no more. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're in the van. The van, that's what I call this. The van. You know, a lot of people give names for their cars and all that. This is just called the van. Alright, come on over here, let me show you. This is the duct. The air box, heater ESC box right there. And if I cut this light on, let me have this one. If you look right back here into there, you're gonna see a door back here, and watch me open and close it.
We can't see anything with your hand right there.
Well, y'all gonna better try. Dang it! This thing don't.
Where are we looking for this door?
Way back here.
All right.
All right, watch when I see it open.
No.
Hey, you open it and close it. Then you push that. Go ahead. You go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Or
Go ahead.
open it.
Go ahead. Open the door.
Shh. Shh. Open it and move your hand.
Put your hands up.
Okay, that's closed and that's open.
You saw it?
Yes.
Then you put your hands on. Shut me up. Go ahead. All right. So, having that open, now that blower motor can only pull in air through this door right here. So it's going to pull air in from the outside. You can say, oh, Tim, what if somebody, well, nobody got no business being in my van, man. It's my van. What happens if you make a mistake and close that off? And that can put a drag on the blower motor and cause it to go bad. Nope.
I'm sorry. What is the purpose of having that option?
What?
Open and closing the door.
Because this van originally didn't have no AC, so that was letting fresh air inside.
Or you can stop the fresh air from coming in? Isn't that what the windows are for?
No, they know what they were doing. This is GM we're talking about.
Okay.
Over here on the side, guys, there's a little bitty opening. Holy cow, wait a minute. Yeah, it will still come out. It was sucking the air through this little bitty opening right here, so you don't have to worry about that. But, and yours, actually, after a certain year, you don't have this. Yours will be automatic open or close with your vent control system. You got that? You got that, Sophia?
Yeah. I have recirculation in my car. I'm good.
All right. And this is cool, guys, because what being that it recirculates the air, the hot air coming in will get hotter and hotter, and especially the cold air, the AC, will get colder and colder and colder.
And that is needed in this van.
Heck yeah. Because this van's on fire. Dang it.
Oh my God.
All right. I'll be right back.
All right, so if you guys have a 1981 Chevy van, which how many could be out there? 2, 3?
No. It goes up from 80 to about 98, 99.
Okay. And you're having a problem with your AC or your heat, that it's not too much air coming in.
Look at Chevy in front of the van.
Then you know what to check for.
The van.
He's too much. It's too much.
Guys know this, like, damn, that van is so cool.
Okay. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below.
It's yeah, we want to see more of the van.
Or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. This is a gnat flying into my eyes. We Gary Berry, nobody can. See you next time.